How to use Instagram stop motion in Instagram stories. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up how we can use stop motion in Instagram in order to post a story. So let's begin with the video, but before beginning with the video I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to just go to story. What you can do is just scroll to the left side or tap on this your story plus icon. I'm just gonna tap on this plus icon. After that, here what you can do is just go to the filter section. You can see this filter section here. Just scroll to the right until you see a search bar. You can see this search bar at the very last option. In here I want you to search for stop motion. After searching for it, you will be able to see a bunch of options on what kind of stop motion filter that you want. You will be able to see a bunch of options here on what frequency you want the stop motion filter to be. After that, just click on one of the filters that you may like. You may just choose whichever is more convenient for you and record a video accordingly. Just long press on the filter and record the video. After that, you may just edit accordingly. Just type in any text if you want, or you may also use any kind of filter. You can tap on the three dot and you may draw if you want, and add music as well if you want. And just like that, you can post that stop motion video on your story just by tapping on the show story option. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.